this is going to be a short video. I'm just super excited about the zip tie dome kit that I just got in the mail from Zip Tie Domes. We're going to build ourselves a dome out here. So that's one set of domes. They got them all wire tied together. That's really neat how they got them all wire tied together. And the red ones. So here we go. And then, wow, and then another set of them. And then they let the instruction manual. Zip Tie Domes presents how to make a dome. Yeah, so they have a YouTube page, and they come with all the zip ties and all. And this is everything that you see here. Is anything left in the box? No, but yeah, that's everything. But the pipes. Yeah. So I need some 1-inch pipes now, and I will have me a dome. Yeah, I'm really excited. Maybe you guys can come out to the Rock Club Foundation headquarters this week and help me build this dome.